Our subject motto is Mathematics Made Simple. Mathematics Made Simple. We are still looking at equations. Now, today we are going to look at equations in one unknown involving fractions and brackets. When I say in one unknown, it means we are going to look for one variable like the way we did the last time. So we have the following examples of the following equations. We have 8 divided by x is equals to 4. 8 divided by x is equals to 4. That 4 is a whole number. We express it as a common fraction by putting a denominator what? 1. We'll put a denominator here and do what? Cross multiply. So we are going to multiply 4 times x to give us 1 times 8. So 4 times x is equals to what? 1 times 8. If you multiply 4 times x, you are going to get 4x is equals to 8. If I want to find the value of x, what am I going to do? I'll introduce the coefficient on both sides. So I'll divide both sides by 4. 4 into 4 will give me a 1. So I'll remain with a 1x. 4 into 8 is 2. Therefore, my x is equals to what? To 2. So this one is an open statement. We've made it true by putting x is equals to 2. So that when I have 8 divided by 2, I'm going to get a what? A 4. As simple as that. Let's go to the next one. We have 3x plus 6 is equals to 36. What are we supposed to do? We are going to introduce the additive inverse of 6 so that we have a 0 here. We introduce it on both sides. So 6 minus 6 is giving me a 0. 36 minus 6 is giving me a 30. So we are saying 3x is equals to 30. To find the value of x, what am I going to do? Divide both sides by the coefficient. Therefore, my x is equals to 10. As simple as that. Let's go to the next question. So we have 12 is equals to x divided by 3 minus 4. Now, when you look at this equation, there's a subtraction sign here. We cannot cross multiply until we have a common denominator on the right hand side. So what are we going to do? We are going to express 4 as a common fraction by putting a denominator 1. So we have two denominators here, 3 and 1. What is our common denominator? 3. So we are saying 3 into 3, 1. 1 times this numerator x, x. 1 into 3, 3. 3 times that numerator 4 is giving us a what? A 12. So from there, what are we going to do? We express this 12 as a common fraction by putting a denominator 1. From here, what are we supposed to do? We'll cross multiply. So I'm saying 1 times x minus 2 is equals to 3 times what? 12. If we multiply 1 times x, we are going to get x. 1 times negative 12 will give us a negative 12. Multiply 3 times 12, what are you going to get? 36. From here, we have to transpose this negative 12 to the other side. It will become a positive. When you move a negative to the other side, it becomes a what? A positive. So we are going to get x is equals to 36 plus 12. Our x is therefore equals to what? 48. Let's go to the next one. We have 2x divided by 7 is equals to what? To 4. So the first thing we are going to do is to express this 4 as a common fraction by putting a denominator 1, and then we'll do what? We'll cross multiply. So I'm saying 2x times 1 is equals to what? 4 times that 7. If you multiply 2x times 1, you're going to get 2x. If you multiply 4 times 7, you're going to get 28. What am I going to do? Divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 2. 2 into 2 will give me a 1. So if you divide 2 into 28, you get a 14. Therefore, x is equals to 14. As simple as that. Now, sometimes they give linear equations involving brackets. What if our brackets look like this? Where you have a plus open brackets b plus c. That one where you have all positive operations, you are going to have a plus b plus c when you get rid of those brackets. What if you have a plus open your brackets b minus c? You are going to get a plus b minus c. What if you have a minus b plus c? Or let me just put it well. What if I have A minus, open your brackets, B plus C, close your brackets? So it means here we have to expand. It means I'm multiplying a negative times a positive, which will give us a negative. Negative times positive will give us a negative. So A minus, open your brackets, B plus C, close your brackets, is equals to A minus B minus what? C. What if I have A minus, open your brackets, B minus C, close your brackets? It means I'm multiplying a negative times a positive, giving us a negative. Negative times negative will give us what? Positive. So when you are given brackets to solve, where you have linear equations involving brackets, you should understand what to put, which operation to put when you are given different signs. So we have the last example E. We have 5, open your brackets, 2x minus 1, close your brackets, minus 2, open your brackets, x minus 2, close your brackets, is equals to 7 plus 4x. We are going to take this step by step. The first thing we are going to do is to expand. We have to get rid of those brackets. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 2x to give me 10x. 5 times negative 1 to give me negative 5. We continue. Negative 2 times x will give us a negative 2x. Negative times negative will give us a positive. So negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4, which is equals to what? 7 plus 4x. From here, we are going to group the like terms together. 10x minus 2x are like. Negative 5 plus 4 are like terms. Like terms can be simplified and like terms cannot be simplified. So 10x minus 2x is giving me 8x. Negative 5 plus 1 is giving me negative 1, which is equals to 7 plus 4x. From here, again, we have to group the like terms together. So we'll transpose this 4x from the right to the left. The sign has to change. It will become a negative 4x. We'll transpose this negative 1 from the left to the right. The sign will change. It will become a positive. So if you subtract 8x minus 4x, you get 4x. 7 plus 1 is giving me 8. So I have 4x is equals to 8. To find the value of x, we'll divide both sides by the coefficient. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 8, 2. Therefore, our x is equals to 2. As simple as that. Now let's go to our exercise. Our exercise is saying solve the following equations. We have 2x divided by 3 is equals to 2, 1 over 4. We have 2 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 8. We have 3n minus 2 divided by 8 is equals to 2. We have 2y divided by 5. 2y minus 5 divided by 3 is equals to y divided by 2. And then we have half, open your brackets, p minus 1, close your brackets, minus 1 over 6. Open your brackets, p plus 1, close your brackets, is equals to 0. Hope to see your solution soon.